a girl, Clonia Okeke, reporting live from Osio TV. The governor of Enugu State inspects work being done at the Enugu Unity Park. The executive governor of Enugu State, Right Honorable Ugwuanyi, after an inspection tour at Oji River, stops at the Enugu Unity Park to inspect work being done by the Enugu Clean Team, preparations for planting of grasses and flowers, and the installation of park seats. The park, formerly known as a forest reserve, now contains a massive construction of an artificial water pond and a roaring lion monument of about 30 feet high and 60 feet wide to serve as a place for recreational activities. Stay tuned as we bring to you more happenings around town. It's your girl, Clonia Okeke, reporting live from Osio TV. And don't forget to stay safe.